Scarlett?
15
Boxes.
50 pounds. Hello everyone, good morning. It is a sunny day here in the countryside. That's good, that's a good sign. Tomorrow is going to be the Christmas party for the neighborhood. So as you guys can see, today we're going to continue packing our Christmas basket or bundles of joy for everybody. So here we have Sis and Scarlett, only the three of us. I think we'll be doing it today. Papa and Atan were able to pack all of their rice. So this is how they look now. Ta-da! So these are all the rice that we will be giving away. This is a total of 50 pieces of rice. And then here we have 5 kilogram of ganador. We will be using that for the prizes or the raffle. And then, yeah, this is the current situation. We have here bihon. This is going to for the raffle as well, guys. This is like a bucket of biscuits and whatever. Here we have a bunch of canned goods and then a lot of stuff over there as well. So we are going to unbox everything so that it's easier for us to segregate and put them each in the plastic. So these are the plastic that I asked in the customer service, and of course they would normally give you. So this is it. Look. Ta-da! Ay! Thank you so much to Metro. There you go. I have been like going to Metro for the consecutive years that we've been doing the Christmas party. I always do groceries there. And yeah, this is not sponsored, okay? But yeah, it's just easier for me to shop there. Alright, so come on guys, let's do this. We have coffee, noodles, we have seasoning, black beans right there, and a few other stuff. Scarlett, are you helping as well? Oh, very good, oi. Very good, Mrs. Scarlett. Alright, let's do it. Still here sorting out everything, but anyway, let me share you what are the prizes that we are going to give the neighborhood for the raffle. So yeah, this is actually my first time trying to do a raffle draw for them. It's just to make things exciting and fun. So first we have here this Jolly budget bundle that we saw in Metro. So they packed this already, and what's inside is basically salad and spaghetti ingredients. So I got 2 of these. Ta-da! And then we also have here 2 bags of 5 kilogram of ganador rice. So that's part of it as well. And then we have here 2 boxes of cookies. This will be also great. Whoever will be picked for our raffle. And then here, you guys can see we have here 2 pails. So this is actually good because here in the countryside, this is very helpful. This is what we use to fetch water if you don't have running water. And then we also have here hangers. So yeah, this is also very... Hi! You want to join Tita? You've been helping today. Very good. So yeah, we will be giving away hangers as well. Whoever will be picked. So yeah. These are just little things, you know, but in the countryside, these are already well appreciated. So, yeah, it's only us anyway, and I know they will appreciate everything. So, we're just sorting out everything, and then we're gonna start packing. I'm gonna show you what's gonna be inside our Christmas bundle of joy. finished packing all of the bundles of joy. These are, here they are, 50 packs. 50, right? 40, 50. Yeah, so let me show you what's inside, okay? So we have here rice. There you go. We have here noodles, bihon. Yes, bihon. And then we have here noodles. We have canned goods. And then we have milk. We have coffee. We have sugar. Toothpaste, magic seasoning, we have biscuit, we have black beans, and last we have liquid seasoning. There you go. So those are what's inside our bundles of joy. I know it's not a lot. What? I know it's not a lot, but yeah, I know they will appreciate this little gift that I have for them. So there you go. Alright, so now we're gonna arrange everything in that area because as you guys can see, we cannot move around here in the house anymore. The bundles of joy is occupying the living area, so we're gonna arrange there because tomorrow will be the big day. What are we eating?
Watermelon ice cream.
Yay! Cheers!
Look, we have a yellow.
It's a watch.
And watch.
It's a unicorn. Wow! You already have a lot of stuff for Christmas, for your birthday, everything.
I
Oh,
want a unicorn.
you want unicorn? Okay, you have a unicorn cake as well.
I have unicorn pinks.
Really? Guys, we are taking a break.
I not like a yellow and pinks.
What do you want then?
I want the pinks.
Pink? Okay. Let's eat. Bon appetit. Yummy? She's so happy. Guys, it's raining. I know. Come on, go over there. Go into the rain. Go.
You help.
1, 2, 3, go. Where's your bike, honey? Where's your bike? Oh, okay. Woo! Whee! Guys, I'm in the middle of editing the house tour. I'm halfway through. And then one of my neighbors, my generous neighbors here in the countryside, gave me really freshly cooked sweet corn. Look, it's still steaming hot. Hi! You want to say hi? Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat?
No.
Why?
Come by us.
No! You get from here. Look, she gave me a lot. So we have something for snacks. Look. This is your favorite. Remember, you finished like 5 of these last time. Last time that we cooked this. Ta-da! Cheers! It's very hot still, I know, darling. Anyway, these are all of the bundles of joy, guys. We put them in here. Here are some of the stuff. These are loot bags for Scarlett's birthday. We've also packed 50 loot bags for the kids. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The rain has finally stopped. There you go. Hello everyone, good morning. It's 6 a.m. and we are up and awake. We're actually going to be heading to the city because we're going to pick up Vingle. She'll be celebrating Christmas here in the countryside. Guys, it is very gloomy. It looks like there is a low pressure in the Philippines. It's very windy. It's been raining last night. Oh no, hopefully we will have better sun in the next few hours, because it's not gonna be good once Christmas party will start and it's gonna rain. So good morning. Where are we going?
Morning, Ciudad.
Where are we going?
Ciudad.
Ciudad? We go to the city to pick up
Ano ko ni dia?
Mommy Vingle. That's right. Guys, it's so windy. Look.
Clear.
Guys, Vingle is here. Hi,
Oh my
good
God,
morning.
so haggard. Good morning. I was sorry.
She doesn't have any voice. Alright,
Yeah.
we just did drive-through in McDo, and then she's having pancake, I'm having chicken and rice. And what do you guys have there? Longa and fries. Alright, bon appetit. Let's eat. We are stopping over here in the middle of the road trying to get some bananas. Alright, next stop is Dessert Factory. We're getting cake for Scarlett's birthday. Mama is getting your birthday cake. So we've arrived here in the countryside. So I didn't park the car here because that's where we're gonna put all of the bundles of joy. And right here you guys can see we have a few tables now. So our Christmas party will be potluck. So each of the household will bring their own table, and then they're gonna bring their own food, and then everyone is gonna share during eating time. So you guys can see here, they are decorating it. They have fresh flowers. So those flowers are their flowers from their own farm. So that's really good. And yeah, I actually do have a contest, that's why. So whoever has the best table, I'm gonna give them something, like a token of appreciation for doing it. Hi, honey. Hi. Merry Christmas. Guys, we have to move the motorbike. Bingo's so savage. Can do it. Uy, I like your hat. No, there. You go. Ngayon na. Yeah. Just put it there. Very good, oy. Dira lang. Guys, the outside is getting hectic. Here inside the house is also very hectic. There's stuff everywhere. But anyway, we have here the bananas that we got earlier from the city. They're so pretty. So I'm gonna put them here in this basket. And then we also have here this watermelon. Very small watermelon. We're just gonna display it because we will consume this maybe tomorrow. Wow. Oh, we got so much bananas. Look at that. Looking so pretty. At least we have some fruits. Oh, we have apple as well, by the way. I'll put it here too. So it's already 1 p.m. and everyone are here. Not everyone. Some are here already. They are preparing all their tables. So yeah, I did have a competition for the tables so that they will do some decor. So we will see who will win. This is our
Little
Merry
stage.
Christmas. This
A
is our
little
stage.
Backdrop.
Alright, I also ordered pizza, guys. So we have here a bunch of pizza.
Sponsored.
15, sponsored by me. So So this is 15
Boxes.
boxes of pizza. So this is from Alberto's.
I guess you're gonna put it there.
So this is what was it? Pepper and mushroom.
Beef and mushroom.
Beef and mushroom and
Hawaiian.
Okay. So yeah, look. Ta-da! So we're gonna be giving this away to the tables as well, and then we also have exchanging gifts. And yeah, I'm so excited. So all of the tables, all of the families will be bringing their own food, and we're gonna try their food as well. So it's gonna be sharing,
Potluck.
yeah, potluck kind of party. So we share everyone's food. So you ready?
Go, Scarlett.